In this video, we'll see 2 delicious sandwich recipes for kids' lunchbox.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. And if you would like to see our recipes in Hindi, do check out our channel, the Terrace Kitchen Hindi on YouTube. Let's take a look at the recipe.
So for the first one, which is corn spinach, take 2 teaspoon butter and heat it. And once the butter melts, add 1 cup washed and chopped spinach. Keep the flame medium and saute this for a minute or 2. That's it. And then add 1/4 cup boiled sweet corn. Then add some salt as per taste. Some crushed black pepper. Be careful with the salt because we're using spinach. You need to be very careful. Don't add too much, just a little bit. Now mix this well and then add processed cheese. So I'm using 1 processed cheese cube which I have grated. It's very easily available in the market, small sized cube. Just mix it and then switch off the flame, and within a few seconds you'll notice that the cheese has started to melt, and that's it. Our stuffing is ready. Take 4 bread slices and apply some butter. Well, this amount of stuffing will give you around 3 sandwiches, 3 such sandwiches, 3 to 4, but I think 3 if you generously fill the sandwiches. And then place the other slice of bread and apply a little bit of butter on the top side. Because we're going to put some butter on the tawa or skillet, the bottom side will go on this butter, and that's why we have applied butter on the top. Keep the flame between low to medium, and then once the sandwich is done, that is, it becomes golden in color and becomes crisp, flip it. And once the sandwich is done on both the sides, remove it. So both the sandwiches are done. Let's quickly divide these sandwiches into 2 parts. 2 triangles I'm cutting. If you want, you can cut these into 4, but the bread slices I've used are not very big, so I'm just cutting them into 2 triangles. So place a sandwich in the tiffin box or lunch box. Put some biscuits. I'm using the cashew shaped jeera biscuits, some orange slices and grapes. And there you go, our first lunch box is ready. Now for the second one, take boiled potato. This is medium sized boiled potato. You need to chop it, roughly chop. To the chopped potatoes, add 1 small finely chopped tomato, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 2 to 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. You can increase or decrease amount as per your taste, and some salt, and 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper. Now gently mix this so that you do not break the potato pieces. So our stuffing is ready. Let's make the sandwiches. Again, take 4 bread slices. I'm showing you 4 bread slices, that is 2 sandwiches, but you can make more sandwiches with this amount of stuffing. So apply some butter and place the stuffing. And the way we did with our corn spinach sandwich, you need to apply some butter on the top and then put some butter on the tawa, and you need to grill the sandwich on both the sides. So keep the flame between low to medium. I would say initially low to medium, and then you can lower it if you want nice crisp but not burnt sandwiches. So once the sandwich is done on one side, flip it. So the sandwiches are done on both the sides. Let's remove them and cut into 2 pieces, 2 triangles. Now let's prepare the lunchbox. So put these sandwiches in the lunchbox along with some ketchup and potato chips. Give these recipes a try and enjoy!